So the bull footy is the idea of rolling the staff in your hands to keep your opponent at bay here. It's fun to do, and it does have some purpose of getting you familiar. But on the battlefield, I don't care how spinny you are, I'm gonna clock you in the head. They even say this keeps arrows away. I'm like, poppycock. That is not true. Arrow's gonna go right through that. Or this way, you know, the bow keeps an arrow at bay. I'm like, no. But the bow makes your hands familiar with how to transition on the stick and become intimate with it here. Notice how close my hands are. They are not out here. I'm tired and old. I want to keep it close so that it's light. They never cross wrist over in Budo, ever. Because right here, it's not in my palm anymore. It can be knocked away. It is so fun to do this type of stuff where you go over your wrist or through the fingers. I mean, it's a blast. But if he go ahead and hit my stick any point in time, watch my fingers. See it? This is good point. Now, go ahead and hit my stick at any point. I went over my wrist. You see it get lost? That's why we don't do like this stuff. It's not wrong, but it doesn't serve me to kill the opponent. Here's the hardest part. You're already here. Take the back end, the right, and throw it over your head and re-catch the stick. This is also bow footy. Bow footy, you're rolling the bow. You're doing a half turn over your head. So watch my left hand. You see it? I was here. Watch. You just take the back end and you do a half turn and re-catch it. Here. So if I'm coming at him, this is a nasty movement because he's distracted. Jazz hands! Boom. So you're just twisting the stick over your head. Notice the hands don't cross. They move, re-catch, catch, let go, re-catch. You can practice that at home.